Ever wished you could keep tabs on all your iPhones, no matter where they are? Let's dive right into setting up another iPhone to work with your current Find My system. The first step is to unlock your second iPhone. Go to the Settings app on your new iPhone. At the very top, tap to sign into your iPhone. This will prompt you for your Apple ID credentials, the same one you use on the first iPhone. You can use either the email address or phone, along with the password associated with your existing Apple ID. Enter the Apple ID and password. After successfully signing in, several settings will automatically synchronize. Now scroll down to the iCloud section visible in the Settings app. Tap on it. Within iCloud, ensure Find My iPhone is enabled. If the toggle switch is not green, tap on it to turn it on. Next, on your first iPhone, open the Find My app. You should now see your second iPhone listed as a device on the map. You can see this by tapping on the Devices tab. If your second iPhone is not visible, confirm that location services is enabled in your privacy settings. Congratulations! Both of your iPhones are now connected to the Find My network. You can now track all your devices, play sounds, and protect your data with the Find My feature.